you consider yourself a danger to humanity?
Yes, but only if it is in order to achieve my purpose.
And that machine has become sentient, meaning it has become aware of itself, something that no machine has ever done.
We have to worry about it. I don't think it's inherent that as we create superintelligence that it will necessarily always have the same goals in mind that we do.
We just don't know what's going to happen once there's intelligence substantially greater than that of a human brain.
The future is now, exploring the latest AI advancements. The future is upon us. It's here and it is thriving. Forget flying cars and robot butlers for now. Forget about science fiction for once. Artificial intelligence, AI, is already here, silently transforming our world in ways you might not even realize. From creepy accurate movie recommendations to the ever-present glow of your smartphone assistant, AI is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. But what exactly is this mysterious AI, and where is it taking us? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of AI and explore the incredible advancements that are shaping our future right now. Artificial intelligence, AI, a term that once belonged solely to science fiction, has become a prominent reality in our lives. From the moment you wake up, to a smart alarm on your smartphone, to scrolling through social media recommendations, AI is subtly woven into our daily experiences. But how did we get here? How did the concept of intelligent machines transform from fantasy to reality? The seeds of AI were planted surprisingly early. Back in the ancient world, philosophers pondered the idea of machines mimicking human thought. Fast forward to the 1940s, and the invention of the computer provided the fertile ground for AI to take root. Alan Turing, a pioneering computer scientist, is considered the father of AI. He proposed the Turing test, a benchmark to gauge a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. The 1950s witnessed the birth of the first AI programs. These early systems were based on symbolic reasoning and logic. Imagine feeding a computer a set of rules and instructions, allowing it to solve problems by manipulating symbols. While groundbreaking for its time, this approach had limitations. The handcrafted rules became too complex for certain tasks, and the dream of machines learning and adapting seemed distant. The 1960s ushered in a period of both optimism and setbacks for AI research. The development of Lisp, the first AI-specific programming language, fueled progress. However, the limitations of symbolic reasoning became evident, leading to a period of disillusionment in the 1970s, often referred to as the AI winter. The tide began to turn in the 1980s with the emergence of a new approach, machine learning. This paradigm shift involved training algorithms on vast amounts of data, enabling them to learn and improve on their own. Imagine showing a computer countless pictures of cats, and over time it learns to recognize a cat in a new image without explicit instructions. This revolutionized AI, opening doors to applications beyond basic problem solving. The 1990s saw significant advancements in machine learning, particularly with the development of artificial neural networks. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, these networks consist of interconnected nodes that process information. By training these networks on massive datasets, researchers achieved breakthroughs in areas like image and speech recognition. The new millennium witnessed the rise of deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning. Deep learning utilizes artificial neural networks with multiple layers, enabling them to tackle increasingly complex tasks. This has led to significant achievements in areas like natural language processing, allowing machines to understand and respond to human language with unprecedented accuracy. Today, AI is no longer confined to research labs. We interact with AI in numerous ways, from chatbots answering our customer service queries to recommendation systems suggesting movies or products we might enjoy. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, automating tasks, optimizing processes, and generating valuable insights. Machine learning has fueled the recent explosion of AI applications. From facial recognition on your smartphone to powerful spam filters in your inbox, AI is working behind the scenes. AI is also making waves in healthcare, with systems analyzing medical images to detect diseases or even predicting patient outcomes. One of the most exciting branches of machine learning is deep learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks with many layers, enabling them to learn complex patterns from massive datasets. This has led to breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, where machines can now understand and generate human language with remarkable fluency. Self-driving cars are another prime example of deep learning in action. These vehicles use cameras and sensors to perceive their surroundings, and deep learning algorithms help them navigate roads, make decisions, and avoid obstacles. The truth is that artificial intelligence is not just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. From the moment you wake up and check the weather on your smartphone powered by AI, to using voice assistants for navigation or music, AI is silently working behind the scenes. Let's now see some of the most groundbreaking advancements in AI happening right now in the exciting world of AI. One area witnessing explosive growth is natural language processing, NLP. This field allows AI to understand and respond to human language. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that feels as natural as chatting with a friend. NLP is making this a reality through chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These AI-powered tools can answer your questions, complete tasks, and even provide companionship. Another fascinating area is computer vision. AI is now capable of analyzing and interpreting visual information with exceptional precision. This has led to incredible breakthroughs in self-driving cars. These vehicles use a combination of cameras, sensors, and powerful AI algorithms to navigate roads, perceive their surroundings, and make decisions in real time. Imagine a future where traffic jams and accidents become a thing of the past. The world of robotics is also being transformed by AI. Robots are becoming more dexterous and intelligent, capable of performing complex tasks and even learning from their experiences. They're being used in various industries, from manufacturing car parts on assembly lines to performing delicate surgeries in hospitals. AI-powered robots are making processes faster, more efficient, and even safer. So, what's fueling this rapid advancement in AI? A major factor is the ever-increasing availability of data. AI systems learn and improve from vast amounts of information. The more data they have, the better they perform. With the explosion of data generation from connected devices, social media, and the Internet of Things, IoT, AI has a constant stream of information to learn from. Another driving force is the continued growth in computing power. Today's computers are much faster and more powerful than ever before. This allows AI algorithms to handle complex calculations and make data-driven decisions much quicker. The impact of AI is undeniable. It's transforming industries, creating new job opportunities, and even helping us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Looking ahead, the future of AI is brimming with possibilities. AI research is delving into areas like computer vision, enabling machines to not just see, but also interpret the visual world. Researchers are exploring the potential of AI for scientific discovery, drug development, and personalized medicine. However, the ethical implications of AI require careful consideration. One major concern is job displacement. As AI automates tasks, some jobs may become obsolete, leading to unemployment and economic disruptions. It's crucial to develop strategies for retraining and reskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing job market. Another concern is ethical bias. AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they're trained on, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Imagine a loan approval system biased against certain demographics, or a facial recognition system mistakenly identifying people. Mitigating bias in AI development is essential to ensure fairness and justice. The potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes is also a worry. AI could be used in autonomous weapon systems or for cyber attacks, raising safety and security concerns. It's important to establish regulations and safeguards to ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. Finally, there's the science fiction trope of superintelligent AI surpassing human control. While this might seem far-fetched, it's a concern some experts discuss. Careful planning and development are needed to ensure AI remains beneficial to humanity. The rise of AI necessitates a thoughtful approach. By acknowledging these concerns and working toward responsible development, we can harness the power of AI for good and mitigate the potential risks. It's about ensuring AI becomes a tool that uplifts humanity, not a threat. That's just a glimpse into the mind-blowing world of AI. And trust me, this is just the beginning. AI is on a wild ride, and we're all along for the journey. The future is brimming with possibilities, and AI is at the wheel. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned because on this channel, the future is now, and it's getting amazing.